Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat, origami. So first you guys are going to want to get your paper first, and then we're going to start the origami. So first you're going to get your paper and you're going to fold the top all the way to the bottom. Make sure to line up like this. Now you want to make 2 triangles at the top. I'll show you how. Like this. Now you're going to get this bottom first flap and fold it up. Like this. And then you're going to want to do it on the other side. Like this. Now you're going to get the little gap at the bottom and open it up. Like this. Now we're going to do the same thing what we did with the hat. We're going to fold it up like this, and we're going to do it on the other side. Now we have this, and then we're going to do the same thing we did with the triangle and open it up like this, and then we have this, and then we get these 2 things right here, and we open it, and there we have the boat. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a monster. And now I got my brand new paper and my marker, so because we're going to use some stuff to do. Okay, we're going to do a couple steps from the boat. We're going to fold this down and make sure it's equal with the bottom. And then now we have this. Now we're going to make the triangles. Like this. Now we're going to make the gaps at the bottom. We're going to take the one flap and fold it up. And then we're going to go to the other side and then do the exact same thing. Fold it up like this. So we still, like this, so we still have the gap at the bottom. Now we're going to get the gap and open it up. Then we have this, and we're going to do a different thing now. Now we're going to get these stuff right here, these little things that are blocking it, and we're going to put it under. Like this. Now you're going to get anything to color it, and you're going to get it open, and then you're going to draw a line right here and a line right here straight. Now we're going to draw some bumpy U's for the teeth. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm done with the under teeth, and now we're going to do the same thing we did with the bow. We're going to fold up one side, and then go on the other side and fold it up, and then we're going to open it, and then we have this. Now we're gonna draw the eyes right here. I'm gonna draw a big circle like this. Then I'm gonna draw a semicircle on the side. Then I'm gonna draw a little semicircle on the top, and then I'm gonna fill it in. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side also. Now I got the eyes on both sides. Now we're gonna draw the nostril, and I'm gonna draw a dot on the nose. Now I added the nostrils. Now I'm gonna draw the eyebrows. Now I got the eyebrows on both sides. Now we're gonna open it up, and then we have this, and then we'll have that thing in the middle. We're gonna duck it down into this little gap thing, and then now it's hidden. And there, now you have your monster. Like this. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.